In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quick cards in Trello. If you want to build out your tasks in seconds, this keyboard-driven workflow is the fastest path. First, open your board. Once your board is on screen, take a moment to identify the list where the new card should live. Lists run vertically across the board as columns, like To Do, Doing, or Done. Hover your mouse over the exact list where you want the card to appear. That hover is important. It tells Trello where to place the new item. With your cursor resting over the right list, press the N key. N stands for New Card, and this shortcut instantly opens the card title box right there in the list, so you don't have to click any buttons or move your mouse. You'll see a simple field waiting for a title. Type the card title clearly and concisely. A strong title makes the card easier to spot later, so think in verbs and outcomes, like Draft Client Proposal or Update Q3 Roadmap, instead of something vague. Now, create and open the card in one motion by pressing Shift and Enter at the same time. That single shortcut both creates the card and opens it immediately. Opening the card right away is a huge time saver because you can add the details while the context is fresh. Inside the open card, you can flesh out the description, add labels to color code priorities, or drop in a checklist to break the work into smaller steps. This is your space to capture anything that will help you or your team move the task forward. You'll see your new card exactly where you hovered, ready to be prioritized or dragged to another list as work progresses. Repeat this quick flow. Hover, press N, type a clear title, then press Shift plus Enter to create a batch of cards rapidly. It's perfect for capturing ideas during a meeting or turning notes into an actionable backlog without breaking your focus. With just a hover and 2 quick shortcuts, you can create and open Trello cards faster than ever. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And maybe consider subscribing. Please let us know in the comments what you think of the video and if there is anything we can do to improve it.